Welcome to Learning Guitar for Children. I'm thrilled you are here with me today, and we are going to dive into the world of guitar learning, and we're going to learn some really cool basics.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
If you have got a guitar, go and grab it now. If not, don't worry, there's plenty to learn just by listening carefully. Stick around to the end because we've got a fun quiz to test everything you have learned in this video today. Let's dive in right now. Are you ready? Learning to play the guitar is a lot like making a yummy cake. Just like you need the ingredients like eggs, flour, sugar, and don't forget the chocolate to bake a delicious cake. Guitar songs are made up of special ingredients too. These ingredients are skills, and there are 5 of them. So I wonder if you can guess what is behind each of these. And there's something really important for you to learn today from here. So let's take a look at the first skill or the first ingredients. And you want more guitar adventures with me and Bumper? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when I post new exciting videos just like this one. Okay guys, let's take a look and see what's behind the first one. Here we go. We have pluck or plucking. So let's learn about plucking now, and then if you've got your guitar, just follow along with me. There are 2 ways we can pluck the strings on the guitar. We can use our fingers and thumb, and we can also use a guitar pick like this. So I'm going to show you a little way you can start to use your fingers first, and then we'll practice with the guitar pick. So we're going to rest our thumb on the strings, our tip of our thumb, and then we're going to walk on the strings like this with 2 fingers just on the first string. Remember, you can pause this video and rewatch it as often as you like. So now we're going to practice with a guitar pick. So I'm holding the guitar pick between my thumb and finger like this. And then I'm going to pluck the high string or the first string like this. So that is how we are plucking the strings. Well done. Excellent, that was so much fun. Okay, let's look at what's behind number 2. Are you ready? We have strum. Fantastic. So now, just follow along with me, and I'm going to teach you and show you how to strum a guitar. Practice strumming. So we have 2 different ways that we can strum. We have a down strum, where we can use the back of the hand like this, and then we can go up where we use the nail of our thumb. And we can also use the guitar pick as well. Not one is better than the other, they just sound different. I'm cheering you on today. Amazing, well done. Let's keep listening carefully and keep our really good concentration, because we're going to find out what's behind number 3. So the third ingredient, or the third skill, is chords. So let's now jump in and learn our first chord. So I want you to place your thumb on the back of the neck, and you're going to take your finger and we're going to push down on string 1 at the 3rd fret like this. And then if you take your thumb or your guitar pick and you push through the strings like that, this is a chord of G, and it's a happy sound. We have just 2 left to do, and then we're going to jump into the quiz at the end, so keep on listening carefully. Let's find out what's behind number 4. We have this word, which is called arpeggio. So now let's jump in and find out what an arpeggio is. How exciting! We're going to play this G chord again, but this time we're going to pluck the 3rd string, the 2nd, the 1st, and then back to the 2nd. Why don't you have a try at that? Pause the video and give it a go. Okay, it's the last one. Number 5. Are you ready? Wow, we have scales. Now let's jump in and start to learn a scale. Here we go. The 1st string like that, and then I'm going to push down at the 1st fret. And then I'm going to go to the 3rd fret. And then I'm going to go all the way then to the 5th. Then I'm going to go to the 7th, 8th, 10th, and all the way to the 12th fret. So that's like climbing the flight of stairs where we're going up. Now we're going to come back down. We're just going to follow the exact way that we ascended. So 12, 10, 8, 7, 5, 3, 1, and then open. Great, well done. Now I'm going to play a song that uses a scale, and I want to see if you can guess which one this is. Correct. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now if you'd love to learn that song, I have another video on this in the description, so you can go and learn that after this lesson. I'm just going to jump in really quickly here. I have something special for your aspiring musicians. I'm introducing a brand new learning guitar online with me, David. So if your child, grandchild dreams of playing the guitar, becoming the next pop star or Disney star, this is a perfect opportunity. Because every week I go live for 30 minutes on Zoom, teaching fun songs, building confidence and life skills, both for complete beginners and some with a little experience. All they need to do is to just follow along with me and enjoy the music. Can't make it live? Then that's no problem. Each lesson is recorded and uploaded to your personal portal, giving you access to all the past and future videos on lessons such as songs, skills, confidence, motivation, and performing. I'm giving a special offer for the first 10 students. So when you sign up today, you'll receive instant access to over £600 in bonus materials, including my top flagship online course, video-led course, Guitar Start in 30 Days, where there's 30 plus videos, audio and digital downloads, I'm giving 5 of my best-selling books, including Guitar Star in 30 Days, Let's Learn Guitar Together, and Guitar Medals. And it's all for just $14.99 per month. That's less than a McDonald's Happy Meal. And it also comes completely risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can cancel any time. Let this be the year that your child discovers the love for guitar, has a ton of fun, and gains lifelong musical skills. If you'd love to find out more about this offer and register your interest right now, you can click the link below in the description of this video. Now let's see how much you remember. It's quiz time! What are the 5 skills that make up songs on the guitar? What are the 2 ways we can play the strings, and how many strings does a guitar have? Great job today! We can't wait to see you again for more fun guitar lessons. Bumper and I are so happy you made it to the end of this video. We really appreciate you listening very carefully today and trying your best. So keep practicing, and until next time, we will see you soon.